The last few decades have seen tremendous growth in world trade. Products are manufactured in one place, then shipped and sold in other places all over the world. Globalization has been the major driver of economic growth. In today's episode, we will be talking about a career in logistics and supply chain management. Hi and welcome to Career Growth. Supply chain management is a management of the flow of goods and services from supplier to consumer. It is a management of business supply side to maximize the customer value and to gain a competitive advantage in the marketplace. Supply chain management and logistics is a multidisciplinary field and combines concepts of industrial engineering, system engineering, operation management, logistics, information technology, and marketing. Logistics management is a part of supply chain management which designs, implements and controls the flow and storage of goods and services between the point of origin to the point of consumption in order to meet the customer's requirement. So how does one enter this field? To enter this field, one needs to complete their graduation with any specialization. Further to that, they need to clear their entrance exams, followed by group discussion and personal interview, and then seek admission for post-graduation courses in supply chain management or logistics and supply chain management. Along with the required education qualifications, one needs to have certain skill sets to be successful in this industry. One needs to have good communication skills, an eye for detail, problem-solving skills, adaptability, sense of responsibility, organizational skills, and leadership skills. Once you complete the course, there are various sectors where you can work, such as manufacturing and distribution sector, transportation sector, logistics companies, shipping corporations, aviation industry, packaging sector. Today, with business expanding at a rapid pace, it has become almost important to have a foolproof system of supply chain management for better distribution of commodities. Supply chain management professionals have become a necessity in production and sales company and also in retail industry. If you have excellent planning and problem-solving skills, then you may consider this as your career choice. Keep liking, keep subscribing, Career Growth.